Hi everyone, so I'm back with a very quick video to show you my latest little journal kit that I've made. Now this is called Faded Flowers. It's been on the go for ages, but just kept getting sidetracked by actually making journals. So anyway, managed to finish this off. So there is 20 pages and it consists of full-size pages, TN size, a couple of tall pages, tags, journal cards, postcards, and some pockets and some some circle embellishments. So I will show you this. I will have a link to this. It's not a freebie. I will have a link to this below, which will take you straight to my to the listing of this, and you can check out my other listings. You can check out my freebies on my Ko-fi shop. So let's get going. So I've sorted them all out. I have printed this with a border, but if your printer allows, you can print it bigger. So this is the full size. Now it's faded flowers because the flowers are faded into the background. That's page 1 there, and then we've got these. And I wasn't sure on this, but you know what, it kind of grew on me a little bit because I like both colours. Like the blue, there's a bit of like what kind of is supposed to represent some gold but just looks vintagey, and the lilac, or is it lilac? Yeah, purpley lilac colour. And then we have this. So I'm going to make, obviously I'm going to make a little journal from this, and I will probably use the Traveller's Notebook size. And it's kind of got like a watercolory splish splashy thing going on in the background. So that's the 5 full-size pages. Now the TN pages are just the same, but to a TN size. And again, I printed this with a border. I didn't mean to, but that's what I did. That was my last settings. And then we got that one and that one. So I hope everybody is well. I've got, like, my voice keeps going. Been a little bit poorly as well. Been absolutely shattered. I think that wedding might took it out of me. Had a great time, but just exhausted. So this is some of my own French ephemera. There is a kit somewhere. Yeah, it's on my Ko-fi shop, obviously. French ephemera kit. So I've just took one of the pages. I actually took 2 pages, but they're different patterns, and done the tall pages. I've actually used some of this whilst I'm nearly finished a journal, which I will show you probably later on today. I've been working on that for nearly a week, this big journal. I have used little bits from this in that when I was doing the test pages. So we've got some tags. You can keep them as they are, or you could dress them up. And some more tags. We've got some oval tags. I've used some of them in the journal that I'm working on. And then these are just like the flowers, but they're in like a white. They kind of look like they've been like painted on. And then we have the last bundle, which is journal cards. 4 of them. Then we've got some ovals. You could print 2 or 3 or 4 to a page and make them smaller. I'm actually going to do that because I'm going to use some as little dangles. So I'll probably print like quite a few to a page. So I'll probably maybe get, there's 6 there, there's 12, maybe get 24 to a page. We'll see how that works. Some postcards, and then some pockets. And of course with the don't need to put them back in paper clips now. With the bigger pages as well, you know, you don't have to use them as like pages. I normally chop them up and make tags and pockets and tuck spots, and you know, you could punch things and make other things out of them, butterflies, you know, just use your imagination. So there we go, that's the kit, and it's really cheap on my shop. These little things help me to continue crafting and doing videos as such. So yeah, there we go. The link will be below if you have any questions. I'm just kind of messing around with this to try and get a photo for the thumbnail. Yeah, links will be below. Any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.